We have 2 and 1/8 minus 1 and 7/8. But we have a problem here. If we look at our fractions, we start with just 1/8, but we need to take 7/8 away, and we can't do that, so we need to exchange with our whole number. If we take 1 from our whole number, 1 less than 2 is 1, and that means that we can add 8 more 8s. So we can add the denominator to the numerator. 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 is our new numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So 1 and 9/8 is the same as 2 and 1/8. So now we can subtract 1 and 7/8. Remember, when we subtract fractions, the denominator stays the same, and we just subtract the numerator. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and if we look at our whole numbers, we now have 1 minus 1, which is 0. So our answer is just 2/8. Now we have 3 and 2/5 minus 1 and 4/5. But again, we have a problem because we need to take 4/5 away, but we only start with 2/5. So again, we need to exchange with our whole number. If we take 1 away from our whole number, 1 less than 3 is 2, and that means we can add the denominator to the numerator. 5 plus 2 is 7, so our numerator is 7 and our denominator stays the same. So 2 and 7/5 is the same as 3 and 2/5, but now we can subtract. When we subtract fractions, the denominator stays the same. 7 minus 4 is 3, and if we look at our whole numbers now, 2 minus 1 is 1, so our answer is 1 and 3/5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.